What we're trying to do is a little bit different. We bring any type of military veteran into our company with their spouses if they want, and we do a career expo, so to speak, to show them what we have to offer. So we're trying to show them how they can relate their skills to different parts of our company.
A lot of the skills that are incorporated or ingrained in a military member, the professionalism, the yes sir, no sir, how to carry yourself, how to dress, these are all the skills that we take for granted, that we don't really look at them as skills. And I think that people who are thinking about transitioning out of the military really underestimate themselves. They really underestimate, I know that this was true for me.
I don't think anybody just wants to go to war, but like I said, freedom comes with a price, and they go out there and they protect us, or, you know, they protect other nations. And I'm grateful. I want other people to be grateful for that.